Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use video as wallpaper on your Android smartphone. Before we start, if you would like more videos like this one, make sure to support us by liking this video, hitting the subscribe button, and ringing the notification bell to stay in touch. Also, let us know in the comments section below if you have any video requests. Let's continue. Today, I will teach you how to turn any video into live wallpaper. Just follow these simple steps to edit and apply any videos into a live wallpaper. The first thing we want to do is to get our video clip ready. If you already have the video, then great. If you don't, just go to YouTube and select the clip that you want to set as your wallpaper. And then in the video, we will see the share button. Just tap that share button and then select copy link. After we have copied the video's URL, just head to your browser and then search for YouTube to MP4. Just tap the first one that appears. And then here, what we want to do is paste the link on the text box. After pasting the link on the text box, sometimes it will automatically convert, but more often, you have to tap convert. But before converting, make sure that you are converting it to MP4 and not MP3. That way, we are sure that it is downloaded in a video format instead of audio. Now let us select MP4 and then hit convert. After converting, just hit download and wait for a while. Downloading may take a while on slower phones or internet connection. After the file is downloaded, the next thing we have to do is convert it to portrait orientation. Of course, if the video you downloaded is already on portrait orientation, then you can obviously skip this step. Anyway, if you have that edit option on your phone, you can adjust it to portrait orientation without downloading an editing software. However, if you don't have that option, all we have to do is go to Play Store and then download InShot. Once InShot is installed, just open the app, and here within the app InShot, we will see video, photo, and collage options. Just tap video and then hit allow. And what we want to do next is select the video that we have downloaded earlier. After selecting the video, with the navigation menu on the bottom of the screen, just swipe left and look for crop. And then select 9:16 or the one with the TikTok logo. Adjust the frame and then tap the check button and we are good. If the video is too long, then let's just trim it. After trimming and changing the orientation, let's go and set this as live wallpaper. If your phone supports that, then great. You don't have to install an app from Play Store. But if you don't, all we have to do is go to Play Store and search for live wallpaper. Click this one and then hit install. Once it is downloaded, just open the app. You can start like a pro, but I am just going to try the limited version. Once we are inside the app, just hit allow. Now all we have to do is select the video that we have edited. And what we want to do is disable scale to fit so it wouldn't stretch. And it is up to you if you want to turn on audio, but for me that is annoying, so I want to disable that. And now let us tap set as launcher wallpaper. And then hit apply and then set to desktop and click OK. And if we go to our homepage, as we can see, we now have a live wallpaper. And that is it, guys. Now you know how to set videos as your wallpaper. Thank you for watching.